We're rolling up some seaweed today. Today we are making seaweed roll-ups. If you want to cook with me, go get your stuff and remember to wash your hands. If you're using anything hot or sharp, go get an adult. They like to feel important. First, you start by taking your pepper and cutting it all the way around. It can be any type of pepper, but I'm just choosing a green pepper. Try not to splatter the seeds everywhere like I just did. Okay. I'm just cutting the last part of it. Okay. Good. Set this aside. Okay. All the skin is off. So now you're just gonna cut into lines. So you can actually put it on your seaweed rolls. I would want to put it littler lines so it can actually fit. Chew. Put those over there. Keep on cutting. Okay, I'm done chopping up my peppers. Then I'm going to get the avocado and turn it so it's face down like this. And then set it on my cutting board. I'm going to cut it all the way around. Yooby. Okay, then once you cut it all the way around, pull it apart. Then pull out the seed and chop some avocado. We're just gonna chop the inside like this. Okay, I have them like this. So, then you can just squish them avocados out like that. Squishy time. Squish them out just like that. It's okay if they're messed up. Squish the other half out too. Yuba. Okay. My friend is coming. This is Gabriel. He wants to help with me. So you're gonna fold the seaweed in half. Okay, like that. Then you're gonna fold it the other way. And then it should just if you start ripping it, it should just come right off. Ta-da! Okay? And then you're gonna put some, then you're gonna take the sun butter. Gaby, you wanna
I want to do it.
okay. Spoon some sun butter out. Next one. Good job. Okay. Then we're gonna, you can stick your finger in. Okay, got this. And then just put put it at the front and then just put like a tiny bit at the end. This is Eli. I think he wants to help too. Okay. Now, put the sun butter away. Get your pepper, and you're just gonna line it up right on the sun butter. And then you can get some avocado, put it right behind that. Okay. Then take your carrots, just take a couple. You can put them on top or by the side. I'm just gonna do one because it might overflow. And then do it like this. Okay, then I'm gonna try and roll this up. Then you see the other sun butter at the end, we'll stick it on. My roll. And if you want, before you roll, you can put some sauerkraut on it. That's wet. Do you want to learn how to make healthy foods without a grown-up? I'm Cora and I can teach you.